Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add a rotating animation to a picture in Canva. This is the picture I'm going to use to demonstrate on how you can achieve an image spinning animation in this platform. But first, I'm going to make a little modification to this image. So I'm going to search for a circle frame. I want to put her into a circle area. So let's use this placeholder and I'm going to drag and drop this picture right here. Okay, that's looking good. I'm going to make it slightly bigger. Now we are ready to make this picture to be spinning. So what you need to do is you have to select the picture and you want to click animate. And after that, make sure you select the photo section and you want to scroll down until you find the menu that says rotate. You want to click on it and you can adjust the rotation, whether it's clockwise or counterclockwise. It is totally up to you. And also you have the option to change the speed of this animation of the rotation. You can make it slower or you can make it really fast. And I think I'm going to set it around here. So yeah, let's preview the result. You can click on this button. And so basically you can see this is the spinning of this picture. And yeah, I think it's pretty good. So if you want to make it spinning, back to its original position, then you have to either make it faster, make the rotation faster, or you want to increase the length of the video. I think the first method is pretty straightforward. You could just make it spinning faster and therefore it will reach the original position after 5 seconds. Or you can also just make the video slightly longer. So what you can do is you can click this thumbnail view and then enable duration, and after that you want to make this video slightly longer, and when you're done you can preview and see whether or not this picture, in this case this woman, is going back to its original position. I think it's around here, so it's around here more or less. So I'm going to crop the video to that section and let's preview that again. Okay, it's looking good, but what if you want to loop the video? What if you want to make this picture to spin infinitely? Well, there is only one format that allows you to do that, which is the GIF format. So click share, click download, and on the file tab, make sure to select GIF. And after that, you can click download, or in this case, I think I want to reduce the resolution a bit. So there is no need to be big because GIF is not very efficient when it comes to the file size. So you probably want to use a smaller version. Oops, there is a message like this. Okay, that is very common when you are using a premium asset on Canva and it is not accompanied by other elements. So I'm going to add this square and I'm going to set the transparency to 0 so the square is not visible. This is just to bypass that restriction. I'm going to try again. I'll select GIF and I'm going to reduce the resolution and click download. So hopefully this time around I should be able to get this file. Finally, now we can actually see this preview. So I think it's already confirmed that this video is already looping in the GIF format. The process of downloading GIF file is going to take quite some time, but I think you can get the idea. You can see that this is the result and the image is spinning infinitely and it looks very smooth. So anyway, that is exactly how you can spin an image in Canva using the animation technique. I hope you find this video to be helpful and I'll see you on the next video.